The ability to rewrite our stories, to shift our perspectives, is the key to breaking free from limiting beliefs. These beliefs are those sneaky thoughts that whisper, "You're not good enough, you'll never succeed," or "This is just the way things are." They hold us back from reaching our full potential, keeping us stuck in familiar but often unsatisfying patterns. But here's the exciting part. These beliefs aren't set in stone. They're not unchangeable truths, but rather stories we've come to believe about ourselves and the world around us. And just like any story, we have the power to rewrite it. So how do we do that? How do we break free from these limiting beliefs that have held us captive for so long? The first step is awareness. We need to recognize those beliefs that are holding us back. We need to identify the stories we're telling ourselves that aren't serving us. This can be a challenging process, as these beliefs often operate on a subconscious level, but with practice, we can start to notice them. Once we've identified our limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. We need to question their validity. Are they really true, or are they just stories we've come to believe? We can ask ourselves questions like, what evidence do I have to support this belief, or is this belief helping me or hurting me? By scrutinizing these beliefs, we can start to see the cracks in their foundation, the places where they don't quite hold up to reality. As we challenge our limiting beliefs, we can start to replace them with more empowering ones. We can choose to believe in our abilities, in our potential, in our worthiness. We can choose to believe that we're capable of achieving our dreams. This isn't about denying our challenges or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about choosing a more positive and empowering narrative for ourselves. One powerful way to replace limiting beliefs is through affirmations. These are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves, either out loud or silently. Affirmations can help to reprogram our subconscious mind, replacing negative thought patterns with positive ones. By consistently repeating affirmations, we can start to believe in the new stories we're creating for ourselves. Another helpful technique is visualization. This involves creating a mental picture of ourselves, achieving our goals, and living the life we desire. By visualizing our success, we can start to believe that it's possible. This can create a powerful sense of motivation and momentum, propelling us towards our goals. It's important to recall that breaking free from limiting beliefs is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires patience, persistence, and self-compassion. There will be times when we slip back into old patterns of thinking. There will be times when we doubt ourselves and our abilities. But as long as we keep moving forward, as long as we keep choosing to believe in ourselves, we will eventually create lasting change. The journey of overcoming limiting beliefs is a deeply personal one. What works for one person may not work for another. Some people find that working with a therapist or coach can be helpful in identifying and challenging their limiting beliefs. Others find solace in journaling or practicing mindfulness. The key is to find what works for you and to be patient with yourself along the way. One of the most powerful tools for overcoming limiting beliefs is action. It's not enough to simply think positive thoughts or repeat affirmations. We need to take action that aligns with our new beliefs. This could mean stepping outside of our comfort zone, trying new things, or pursuing our goals with renewed determination. By taking action, we prove to ourselves that we are capable of more than we previously believed. Another important aspect of this process is self-compassion. We need to be kind to ourselves as we navigate this journey. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way. There will be times when we fall back into old patterns of thinking. But instead of beating ourselves up, we need to treat ourselves with understanding and compassion. We need to recognize that change takes time and that it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Self-care is also essential. When we're stressed, tired, or overwhelmed, it's easier to fall back into negative thought patterns. By taking care of ourselves physically, mentally, and emotionally, we create a strong foundation for our personal growth. This could mean eating healthy, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, practicing relaxation techniques, or engaging in activities that bring us joy. As we work to overcome our limiting beliefs, it's important to celebrate our successes along the way. Every small victory is a step in the right direction. By acknowledging and celebrating our progress, we reinforce our new beliefs and create a positive feedback loop that fuels our continued growth. The journey of overcoming limiting beliefs is not about achieving perfection. It's about progress, not perfection. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves, one step at a time. It's about accepting our full potential and living a life that is authentic, fulfilling, and joyful. One effective way to identify and challenge limiting beliefs is through journaling. By writing down our thoughts and feelings, we can gain a deeper understanding of our inner dialogue. We can start to notice patterns in our thinking and identify the beliefs that are holding us back. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for reframing our beliefs. By writing down alternative, more empowering perspectives, we can start to shift our thinking and create new possibilities. Another approach to overcoming limiting beliefs is to seek out new experiences and perspectives. By stepping outside of our comfort zone and exposing ourselves to new ideas and ways of thinking, we can challenge our existing beliefs and expand our worldview. This could involve traveling to new places, meeting new people, reading books outside of our usual genre, or attending workshops and seminars on personal growth. It's also important to be mindful of our self-talk. The way we talk to ourselves can either reinforce our limiting beliefs or challenge them. When we catch ourselves engaging in negative self-talk, we can consciously choose to reframe our thoughts in a more positive and empowering way. This takes practice, but over time, it can become a habit that supports our personal growth. Another powerful tool for overcoming limiting beliefs is gratitude. By focusing on the things we're grateful for, we can shift our attention away from negativity and towards abundance. Gratitude can help us to see the good in ourselves and in our lives, even when things are challenging. This can create a sense of optimism and resilience, making it easier to overcome obstacles and pursue our goals. It's important to keep in mind that our beliefs are not static. They can evolve and change over time. By actively choosing to challenge and replace our limiting beliefs with more empowering ones, we can create a life that is aligned with our values and aspirations. We can break free from the chains of self-doubt and fear and step into our full potential. The process of overcoming limiting beliefs can be likened to a journey of self-discovery. As we peel back the layers of our conditioned thinking, we uncover our true potential and accept a more authentic way of being. This journey is not always easy, but it is incredibly rewarding. And by shedding the limitations we've placed on ourselves, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. As we continue on this journey, it's important to recall that our beliefs are not isolated. They are interconnected with our thoughts, emotions, and actions. When we change our beliefs, we change our entire experience of life. We start to see ourselves and the world around us in a new light. We become more resilient, more confident, and more empowered. Another key aspect of overcoming limiting beliefs is to develop a growth mindset. This means believing that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. With a growth mindset, we see challenges as opportunities for learning and growth rather than as threats to our self-worth. This allows us to approach life with a sense of curiosity and openness rather than fear and self-doubt. It's also important to recognize that our beliefs are not always based on reality. They are often shaped by our past experiences, cultural conditioning, and the messages we receive from others. By questioning the validity of our beliefs, we can start to separate fact from fiction and create a more accurate and empowering self-concept. As we overcome our limiting beliefs, we may find that new challenges and opportunities arise. This is a natural part of the growth process. By accepting these challenges with courage and determination, we continue to evolve and expand our potential. We learn to trust ourselves and our abilities, even in the face of uncertainty. The journey of overcoming limiting beliefs is a lifelong one. There will always be new challenges to face and new beliefs to examine. But by staying committed to our personal growth and continually challenging ourselves to expand our horizons, we can create a life that is rich with meaning, purpose, and joy. It's also important to understand that overcoming limiting beliefs isn't about achieving some idealized state of perfection or constant positivity. It's about developing a healthy relationship with our thoughts and emotions, recognizing that negative thoughts and feelings are a natural part of the human experience. When we can accept these negative emotions without judgment, we can learn from them and move through them rather than getting stuck in them. One helpful way to cultivate this acceptance is through mindfulness practices. By paying attention to our present moment experience without judgment, we can gain a deeper understanding of our thoughts and feelings. This allows us to respond to challenges with greater clarity and compassion rather than reacting impulsively or getting caught up in negative thought spirals. Another important aspect of overcoming limiting beliefs is to recognize the power of choice. We always have a choice in how we respond to our circumstances and the thoughts that arise within us. We can choose to believe the limiting stories that hold us back, or we can choose to create new, more empowering narratives. By consciously choosing our thoughts and beliefs, we take back control of our lives and create a path towards greater happiness and fulfillment. It's also helpful to recall that our beliefs are not always our own. We often internalize messages from our childhood, society, or even the media that don't serve us. By questioning the source of our beliefs and examining whether they truly align with our values and goals, we can start to free ourselves from external influences and create beliefs that are authentic and empowering. As we dismantle our limiting beliefs, it's important to cultivate a sense of self-worth and self-love. This means recognizing our inherent value and worthiness, regardless of our achievements or external validation. When we love and accept ourselves unconditionally, we create a solid foundation for growth and transformation. In the process of overcoming limiting beliefs, it's important to be patient and kind to ourselves. Change takes time, and there will be setbacks along the way. But by staying committed to our growth and accepting the journey with self-compassion, we can create lasting change and step into a life that is truly fulfilling. The journey towards personal growth and overcoming limiting beliefs is one that we all share. It's a journey that takes courage, resilience, and a willingness to look within, but the rewards are immeasurable. And as we shed the layers of self-doubt and fear, we step into a life that is more vibrant, fulfilling, and authentic. So, if you're ready to rewrite your story and create a life that you love, I encourage you to take the first step today. If this video has resonated with you, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel for more content on personal development and self-improvement. Your support helps the channel to continue creating videos that inspire and empower others to live their best lives.